is so pretty. And the now at Krakow. When we go down from there, you know, how train station to up, there is a supermarket like this, which is very impressive. And when I go out, it is directly linked to their Christmas market. What? Another city, another Christmas market. Da, 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 da. Now we are going to another Christmas. Look at this. Oh. Is this also another church? Sorry. It's just so pretty. And on the other side, there is a Christmas market. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go, la na 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 na, la da 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 da. Oh, beer! I mean, oh, so cute, so beautiful. And sausage. How to say sausage in Poland? Ooh, so colorful. Cheese, the one that I had in Zakopane. It is cheaper here. By the way, you should try that when you visit it. In my Instagram propaganda, I used to thought that Poland building will be great, but when I reach here, they are so much colorful, and I was shocked because I thought they all look like this. They all look like a gray building. Oh my God! Look at the other side. They are so much colorful. Don't fall for the propaganda like me. They are pretty. Let's go. I need to take picture. Lida. It is so pretty. And the buildings are similar to the buildings in Borneo. I don't know, but it looks so pretty, it looks so beautiful, it looks so breathtaking. I don't even know what to say. Just look at the 360 view. umbrella 面嚟咋。Oh, there is another Christmas market. Wow, this place looks like 去了公皮亚上的。太good. It is like the makeup box. So pretty. None of them has this quality. Wait. Ta-da! Not flexing though. Just say. I got so hungry on the way, visiting to this area, so we went to their Nepal restaurant, which I really love. I know you want to say that, oh my god, you're in Poland, why don't you try the Polish food? I will be here for 10 days, okay? And it's been a while that I haven't had biryani, so let's try that. This is the lamb biryani. Oh my god, I'm already mouth watering. Or I ordered the spiciest level, and wow, this is really actually spicy. I didn't expect it to be this spicy though, but this tastes amazing. Actually, the table from other side, the other table also, order the spiciest, but they are how do I say, not Asian people, so I think the spice level is depends on their spiciest level is depends on their race, I guess. So wow, it's so nice. Oh my god, I love biryani so much. And ta-da! Oh, can you see? And when you visit to the Nepal restaurant, never forget about this thing, this dessert. This dessert is like that. It is, I could eat this every day. Sorry. In here there are two type of this. In here the juice is with the sugary juice, and I prefer it with the milk juice. But this one also tastes amazing. Oh my god, I will die for it. Like this. Oh my god, it's so
jiggly. Like,